Andrew Gurm from Selective Developers and Contractors, and we are here today to lay out tiles and to figure out a pattern for the MTM makeover. Your mind is a very atypical mind where you need all lines straight and everything like that, and you're always looking for lines and parallels. You don't want the tiles to capture your eye. You want to enter a space and it just seems normal.
Seamless, yeah.
Right? Lines attract your eye.
So that's why we're not laying them horizontal.
Yeah.
We're not following that
No,
entrance.
we're going
following
across
this
the
flow.
entrance.
Got it, okay.
Right? So
Got
the
it.
orientation is like that. It's now the pattern. What pattern do you guys feel
Right.
comfortable with? Now with a stacked pattern, you're recreating that line that we're trying to get away from.
Yes,
But it looks really good stacked.
it does.
Normally what we would do is brick plate so that you break up that line and it gives you a little bit of a finish where you're not drawn to the tile itself. You walk in the room, the tile looks good, but your eyes are not focusing on it.
I can't believe, I for sure thought that we were going to prefer the stack because of exactly what you just said, that flow, that nice, you know, just kind of this long span and spread. But now when I'm seeing it, I really like that the tile is being broken up, the pattern is being broken up in the brick lay.
Yeah.
So this threw me off big time.
Yeah. And it's going to get even worse when we're going to the
I
kitchen
know.
and we're going to do the wood plank tiles.
Who knew this would be so tricky? I love it though. I love that we've laid it out. It's made all the difference. Oops.
I like both of them. Let's flip a coin.
Alright, that's up to you.
We are not flipping up. This is gorgeous.
Nice.
And it has, I just think this is just such a nice way to lay this. Like when you enter this space, it creates its own vibe. Like it feels like this is a space. Like I love that. And I love the regular lay as well, but there's something about the herringbone, especially because we're gonna go so kind of streamlined in the other parts of the house. I feel like this just made this room so special.
Now I've offset it from the center of the door slightly so that when you come over to the edge, you don't have another tile turning, so that all of the tiles end
Makes sense.
with the threshold. So
Makes
I've
sense.
offset it slightly. And then you have a more traditional, which is brick lay,
Okay.
and then we have an offset brick lay.
And I, off the bat, can't tell the difference. I have to tell you.
So this one is 50%. The tiles are half and
halfway
half,
point,
and then
okay.
these are quarter.
I see now.
Yeah.
I see now.
So, well, it looks like we're going with the herringbone.
Winner, chicken dinner. Like, you cannot go around it. This is the most beautiful thing, and I hope everybody does it. I love it. And I feel like it's just going to be that thing that's just going to be special for a long time, classic for a long time. I don't see myself getting sick of it.
Win.
How would I say? Whatever we're doing, we do it right too. So the herringbone would like that
Okay.
before. So
But then, because we have a door by the laundry area where we're continuing the tiles, can we at least,
We couldn't.
we can change it there?
100%.
Okay.
yeah,
Okay, sounds good.
that's it.
I love the herringbone. I love the herringbone. Why is the herringbone? Other fish down a bone like this.